Hey everyone, we're back this week with another science experiment that you can do right along with me if you go grab these materials. So I have a plate and right now I have some water on it. You can just get a plate and a glass of water and then I'll go through the steps with you later. Then you need some dish soap and some ground pepper and that's it. So what we're going to do is see how dish soap, what it does to the black pepper when it's in the water. So on your plate, you want to pour water onto it. Don't overflow it, but enough that it kind of fills up your area of your plate. So you can see my water moving around on my plate. After I do that, I'm going to take my black pepper and just kind of pour it all around the area of my plate. So I have enough that I can really see the experiment work. And I'm going to move this down so you guys can see what I'm doing. You'll just hear my voice. All right. Then what I'm going to do is take the dish soap. You could put a little in a bowl and then dip your finger in it. I'm just going to kind of put some on my finger. And here is where the magic happens. So we're going to take our fingers and push into the dish soap. And you can see all the black pepper goes to the side of the plate. So this is a cause and an effect. When I put my finger there, that made the black pepper go all the way to the edge of the plate. This has to do with the surface tension. The soap creates less surface tension, so the pepper no longer floats in the water once I push my finger there. All right. You can try that out as many times as you want at home and show your friends, show your family, and let them know what it's all about. Hope you enjoyed.